Hello students. Next question. A mixture of 3 moles of SO2, 4 moles of NO2, 1 mole of SO3, 4 moles of NO is placed in a 2-liter vessel. At equilibrium, the vessel is found to contain 1 mole of SO2. A. Calculate the equilibrium concentrations of SO2, NO2, SO3 and NO. B. Calculate the value of Kc. Point to be noted, the volume of the vessel is 2 liter. So first of all, the initial concentrations. Initial concentration of, first of all, write the equation SO2 plus NO2 forming, this reaction is at equilibrium. So SO3 plus NO. Now concentration in moles per liter, this will be 3 by 2. We will just divide by volume. The concentration in moles per liter will be moles divided by volume. So moles of SO2 is 3 moles, volume is 2 liters. So 3 by 2. Similarly, concentration of NO2 is 4 by 2, SO3 is 1 by 2 and NO is 4 by 2. Now this is equal to 1.5 moles per liter or 1.5 m. This is 2 moles per liter. This is 0.5 moles per liter and this is 2 moles per liter. Now it is given in the question that at equilibrium 1 mole of SO2 was remaining. So concentration of SO2 remaining is 1 by 2, which is equal to 0.5 moles per liter. 2 is the volume of the container. So if amount of SO2 remaining is 0.5 moles per liter, then amount of SO2 reacted, let it be Z moles per liter. Initial amount of SO2, that is 1.5 moles per liter, minus amount of SO2 reacted, that is Z moles per liter, is equal to amount of SO2 remaining, which is equal to 0.5 moles per liter. This is given in the question. From this, the value of Z is equal to 1.5 minus 0.5, which is equal to 1. So 1 mole per liter of SO2 has taken part in the reaction. Now from the stoichiometry of this equation, 1 mole of SO2 reacts with 1 mole of NO2 to form 1 mole of SO3 and 1 mole of NO. So amount of SO2 reacted is 1 mole. So it will react with 1 mole of NO2 to form 1 mole of SO3 and 1 mole of NO. So amount of SO2 remaining at equilibrium will be 1.5 minus 1, which is equal to 0.5 moles per liter. Amount of NO2 remaining will be 2 minus 1, which is equal to 1 mole per liter. 2 moles per liter is the initial concentration of NO2. This is given in the question. Amount of SO3 at equilibrium will be amount of SO3 present initially, which is equal to 0.5 moles per liter, plus amount of SO3 formed as a result of reaction, which is 1 mole per liter. So total concentration is 1.5 moles per liter. Amount of NO present at equilibrium is amount of NO present initially, that is 2 moles per liter, plus amount of NO formed as a result of reaction, which is 1 mole per liter. So 2 plus 1 is equal to 3 moles per liter. So equilibrium concentration of SO2 is 0.5 m, equilibrium concentration of NO2 is 1 m, SO3 is 1.5 m and NO is 3 m. So this is the answer to the first part of the question. Now the second part of the question, value of Kc. Now value of Kc is product of the concentration of the products, that is SO3, concentration of SO3 raised to the power. The power is same as the stoichiometric coefficient of SO3 in the balanced equation. Now in this equilibrium, the stoichiometric coefficient of all the reactants and products is 1. So concentration of products and the reactants will be raised to the power 1. So product of the concentration of products, that is SO3 multiplied by concentration of SO3 multiplied by concentration of NO divided by product of the concentrations of reactant, that is concentration of SO2 multiplied by concentration of NO2. These are the equilibrium concentrations. So this is equal to 1.5 into 3 divided by 0.5 into 1. So 5 3s are 15, 3 3s are 9. So answer is 9. Value of Kc is 9.